students. Today I am going to tell you about the second lesson of class 8 English literature, the tsunami. First of all, let me tell you about tsunami. Tsunami is a large water waves which is generally occur due to the displacement of water in sea, ocean or a big lake, and it generally occurs due to explosion, water explosion, or it may be due to volcanic eruption, or it may be due to earthquake. So in this lesson you will come to know about the stories of many people who faced this disaster, that is tsunami, and it occurred on 26 December 2004 near the coastal line of Indian Ocean. So first of all, there is a story of a man whose name was Ignatius, and he was woken up by his wife around at 6 a.m. in the morning. And Ignatius, he felt some tremors of the earth, and he also felt that earth was shaking. So what he did first, he kept the TV on the ground, and all the other members of his family, including his wife, his father-in-law, children, they all rushed towards outside. When the earth stopped shaking, they saw the water was rising, and they just ran in the opposite direction, and they wanted to save their lives. But what happened, his wife was swept away, and even his father, brother, two children, they all were also swept away in this tsunami. Now the next story is about Sanjeev, brave Sanjeev, who was a policeman. He was able to sense the tsunami and was able to move safely along with his wife and daughter as well. But while he was coming out of his home, he heard someone was crying, and that was his cook's wife. John was his cook, and his wife was crying. So he went there to save her. But what happened? They both were drawn away, and they both died in this. And next story is about a girl, Meghna, who was 13 years old, and she was also drawn by these deadly waves. And even her parents, even 77 more people were also there. They were also drawn away, they were also swept away, but she was one of the survival, as she held a wooden door, and with the help of that wooden door she was able to float, and she kept floating for 2 days and reached at shore, and she was able to save her life. Now the next story is about Alma, and that is also very tragic. What happened? Her family was sleeping, but her father woke up all of a sudden, and he was able to sense the tremors of the earth. And when he looked outside, he could see the huge waves. And when they all were trying to run away to a safe place, they fell down, and even her mother and aunts, they were also swept away. Though they tried to hold a tree, but they were not able to save their lives, and even her father was also swept away. But luckily she was able to survive. She was saved, and she found herself in a hospital. Now in second part, there is a story of a girl, Tilly. She had come to Thailand to spend her Christmas holidays, and she had come from England, and they were on the beach. And what happened, when they were just enjoying near the beach, they saw huge waves, and they observed that earth was like something was you can say it contracting, and becoming very small, and the beach appeared to be very small. And Penny Smith, who was her mother, she also observed the same, and they felt that there is something wrong. Now Tilly observed the whirlpools in sea water, and she also saw huge waves having foams. Now she recalled a video which she had seen in geography class 2 weeks before, and she remembered it was tsunami. So what she did, she screamed and she alarmed and she tried to alert everyone that something is wrong and they should move to a safe place, and she asked them to leave the beach. So Tilly's family, they also reached at swimming pool which was on the third floor of their hotel, and they were able to save their life. And many life of many people were saved because of the presence of mind of Tilly, and she was able to save their lives. Now in the last part, what is mentioned, animals, they have a great sense, that is, they can they can understand very well that something is wrong. They are having a very good sixth sense, and they were able to sense this natural calamity, tsunami, in advance. And they started behaving in a very different way, very strange way. So in Yala National Park of Sri Lanka, only 2 animals died, and 60 visitors, they swept away. And what happened? People observed 3 elephants were found running away from the beach an hour before tsunami. And there was one man who was also there. He used to bring his dogs every day, but that day what happened? His dogs refused to go outside. So that man was also forced to be at home, and this is how he was able to save his life, or we can say the dog saved his life. So in this lesson, experiences and stories of many people have been mentioned here, and you can see how bravely they faced. And animals, they have a very good sixth sense. So I hope you must have understood the lesson. Thank you.